Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you 3 stunning and delicious balance ball recipes that are as colorful as they are healthy. These bowls are packed with fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and are perfect for anyone looking to eat well without compromising on taste. I'll guide you through simple steps to create each ball, and by the end of this video, you'll have plenty of inspiration for your next meal. These recipes are easy to customize, so feel free to mix and match ingredients to suit your taste. First up is a tropical-inspired ball featuring honey jerk salmon with black rice and a refreshing mango avocado salsa. For the salmon, season it with a mix of jerk spices, honey, garlic powder, lime juice, and a pinch of black pepper. Bake or pan-sear until perfectly cooked. For the salsa, combine diced mango, avocado, red onion, spring onions, a touch of chili, lime juice, and fresh coriander. Serve the salmon on a bed of black rice, top with the salsa, and finish with sesame seeds for added crunch. The combination of sweet, spicy, and nutty flavors makes this ball a real showstopper. Next, we have a hearty quinoa and black bean ball packed with roasted cherry tomato salsa, chili buttered corn, and griddled aubergine. Cook your quinoa and black beans, then toss them with red pepper, spring onions, coriander, cumin, and a zesty lime dressing. Roast cherry tomatoes and red onions with olive oil, then blend them with garlic, chipotle paste, and fresh chili for a smoky, flavorful salsa. For the corn, toss the kernels with a spicy chili butter and grill your aubergine wedges with smoked paprika and garlic powder. Layer everything together, and you have a bold, satisfying ball full of texture and flavor. Our final ball is a bright, simple, and refreshing lemon herb grilled chicken ball with green beans, a seasonal vegetable salad, and a herby yogurt dressing. Marinate the chicken with garlic, olive oil, lemon zest, tamari, and your favorite herbs. Grill or pan cook until juicy and golden. Steam the green beans lightly and toss your salad with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red and green peppers, red onion, and olives. Drizzle with olive oil and a touch of oregano. Mix yogurt with fresh herbs, lemon juice, salt, and pepper for a creamy, tangy dressing. Combine everything, and you get a wholesome, colorful ball perfect for any meal of the day. And there you have it, 3 incredible balance bowls you can make right at home. Each one is packed with flavor, nutrients, and plenty of inspiration for healthy eating. Don't be afraid to get creative and swap ingredients based on what you already have in your kitchen. If you try any of these recipes, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy and delicious meal ideas. See you in the next